Perfect. Done. And let's put a sticker 3D. A little rabbit. Put it here. 1, 2. I think we should be put 4, I guess. Here. Beautiful. Now let's put the heart glitter on it. Here. Here. Perfect. One beautiful cream bracket. Put it here with another cream bracket. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! I draw a dot first. A yellow dot. A purple dot. A yellow, next yellow one. Here. Here. And put it on here again. The purple one again. Means a little bit mashed, but keep doing. It'll be beautiful when it's finished. Here. Put the green one. And put 3 balls. Perfect. Beautiful. Another bracket. No, it's sticky. Make sure you don't stick it together, okay? Here. Different shape. Put it here. A little bit here. Perfect. Now to the purple one again. Perfect. And I put the purple on it. Some gurumi. Love you. Here. And some ball. And here. And here. To my hand. There. Perfect. One pretty bracket. Put it here. One. Love you. And put it with the other one. Make sure it's dry, okay? Don't touch it until it's dry. Yeah, let's make color together. First, I choose yellow. Here, mix blush. Put it like here a little bit. Perfect. Now, let's put the sticker 3D. I put a duck on it. Here. Beautiful little duck. And I put a ball. I choose a yellow and a purple one. Let's put it on it. Yellow on the top, purple. Some heart glitter shape. Here. And a purple one. There. Finish one mix color. Okay, I put it with the other.